Do you not think it's incredibly stupid to allow women to go to university and then not support them in the workforce, and not to make sure that once we've made them very valuable, we don't just throw them away? Each one of us in our working environment needs to promote excellent women, and that there is a choice always of excellent men and excellent women.
Never be afraid of being women, and never be afraid of being ambitious and look for power. I think it's just we have been educated to be nice, but not actually educated to be successful.
I think that it really is not very smart to have less than an empowering environment for women.
We need the best ideas and the most unusual ideas, and they come from women as well as men.
This is a completely different world that we are entering, in which women can participate and drive the innovation process.
The fact now is that there are more undergraduates that are women than men, but once you come to who's taking a PhD, there are about 50-50 women and men, and the further up you get on the career ladder, the less women climb that. So when you come to grade A positions, which is sort of full professor level, it's only around 20% that are women.
Girls achieve higher marks in primary and secondary schools, and the question should be posed, I think, the other way around. Why is this? Why do girls outperform boys?
There is not only a lack of total women in science, there is also a lack of women regarding senior position, and this is important in order to improve the global management of science.
And I think one of the problems is that we are not using the whole potential of sort of the European population, and of course we all know that it's just a fraction of the females who do research. And just by mobilizing that potential, I think that Europe can gain a lot.
I do hope that all the good plans we have had for years in various corners of Europe finally will be implemented, and there will be a real action, and the situation will change.
I'd like to see organizations get away from the idea that they're doing gender equality work because it's the right thing to do, and get them rather thinking about it as the smart thing to do.
Men and women do think differently. This is an enormous advantage, and at the moment we have a bit of stagnation in thinking.
I think that there's much more a conversation of what do we do tomorrow, after the summit ends, so what are the next steps?